am leaving Holloman Air Force Base now. I spent 2 nights here. It was absolutely perfect. I am so grateful I found it. Such a huge blessing. I just was not feeling great, and I did start ant flow the very next day, so that was nice to be able to be by plumbing and do laundry and have internet. The internet where I wasn't that great, but once I walked into the laundry room facility, like, super fast. I wish I would have been able to get more edited, but it just takes too much time to get stuff edited and go through it all. And yeah, dude, my hair is staticky, is driving me nuts. So now I am off to the commissary to go grocery shopping and then pop over to the exchange. There's some stuff I need to see if they have. This white thing cracked, and the first one I ever found of these was on base in the exchange. They're great, they're super handy, but that thing is busted up. So I want to see if they maybe have one on base. Lila's gonna go to the bathroom. I go to the gas station. Gas was like $2 something on base. I don't know, I'll have to look. Wow, super cheap. What is wrong with my hair? I hate staticky hair. It's the worst. So I'm just using some of this stuff. Anywho, had such a great time at White Sands. Such a great time, right, Lila? So much fun, and just find this diamond in the rough. There's a national forest just, is that east? I think that's east. It looks beautiful from the dispersed camping pictures, and yeah, now we are going to head to Carlsbad Carlsbad National Park, and probably go there tomorrow. I want to see about continuing to edit and then hit that. And I did see some showers at a campground there that cost $3 if I need it, but I'll need to head to Texas because I have an appointment on the 5th to go see the Boxable. Yes, gonna see that. Glad I called before the weekend. So, okay, Lila, are you ready to roll? Oh, to my loves. Oh, to my lovies. Oh, just my babies. Oh, just my sweetest kitty. Okay, you go there. We're driving. Get in your spot. Get in your spot. Here we go. We are gone. We are gone. Thank you, fam camp. You were fabulous. Fabulous. Luxury toy haulers. $2.92 for unleaded. So good. Errands are all done. Went to the gas station, got water, got some food. Went to the commissary. Their commissary is pretty small. That was fine. Didn't need a whole lot. And I got Lila new kitty litter. Did you find a new spot that you like to hang out? Since I reorganized the top up there, it's better. And I did forget to put the lid on. Luckily it wasn't too full, and I have that mat that when it spills out it catches it, so just have a little bit of cleanup. I am done at the commissary. I got a new brush. I swear I don't know what is going on with my staticky hair, but I cannot stand it. I even took a dryer sheet and rubbed it through my hair. These are clothes for my new baby niece, Emma Rose. Baby Rose is what I'm gonna call her. Isn't that adorable? It's 18 months. So darling. Again, 18 months. On sale, very inexpensive because it's New Mexico and it's 59 degrees right now. super for cuteness. And then I found this. We've got the Sound of Freedom going on. We'll turn the air on it. I think it's a little bit warm in here. I did not, oh man, since my sister spilled the Korean corn dog stuff on my dash, I needed to take it apart and clean it because, yeah. Okay. And then, I don't know, man. I don't know if it's my brush, the shampoo and conditioner, but I have 2 different kinds of shampoo and conditioner already in my little travel size and then a big set. So I got these. I don't know. No sulfates. Yeah. Whatever. And then I got this, okay? I have used this before. I found this when I was living in my car and people got mad that I didn't do a review on it. I will do a review on this on my review channel. But if this is the same brand, which it might be, I love it. It's great. It's great. So I actually picked up 4. Yeah, 4. Super, super cool. Then we got, this is like a exchange, which is like a little Walmart setup, Target. Some Febreze fabric to go. Yeah, we'll love that. One more here, and then finally, I've never tried these, so we've got the Good to Go Pad Thai. Are these made in Maine or? Oh yeah, proudly made in Maine. That's cool. Oh, a spice meter on the back. That's cool. Not very spicy. I'm really excited to try these. Thai curry, classic marinara with pasta, Cuban rice bowl, and mushroom risotto. Yes, loving that. They did not have any of the white holder, so I'll just have to order that on Amazon. And now I'm just gonna get rid of what trash I can, and then we're on our way. We're headed to Carlsbad. So that is the end of this White Sands area, National Park, Holloman area. It turned out to be such a great time. I feel so happy and peaceful, and I hope Lila's enjoying herself. I take her out at night because she seems to like it a little better. Are you okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. National Forest, not far from Holloman Air Force Base, and it's beautiful. There's a little town up here, and there's places that you can camp. The Family Dollar, wow. Very unexpected. A little bit of skiing. This area is called Cloudcroft. I'm sure they had to make all that snow.